Ang character na nominated ako ay from the film na Nahimik ang Gabi, and I play the intruder of that film. His name is Soliman. Isa siyang intruder at medyo kumbaga interesting yung aking character doon dahil hindi mo malalaman kung nagsasabi ba siya ng totoo o hindi. And of course, pag napanood mo yung pelikula, madaming twist.
So what this sets apart from your other characters that you were able to be nominated and won also?
Well, yung difference niya, yung twist eh. Kasi I always play villain, di ba? Lagi akong kontrabida. So parang pag tinignan mo yung pelikula, wala namang bago. Kontrabida na naman si Mon Confiado. Pero, yun nga, yung twist. Hindi ko masyadong masabi kasi baka ma-spoil o baka meron pang mga gustong hindi pa nakakapanood. So, yun, yung twist ng character ko doon ang very interesting.
Given that you were able to play the same character as a villain, what are the challenges that you were able to have and overcome in the process?
Actually, itong particular role na ito, where I was nominated, napakadaming layers eh. In terms of preparation, from physical to kumbaga pati yung aking isip at kumbaga puso, ang daming pwedeng paghugutan kasi yung kumbaga yung character na yon ay dahil nga intruder siya, bigla siyang pumasok sa isang mansyon e hinahanap niya yung dalawa niyang anak. Parang kung titignan mo, bakit niya doon hahanapin? And yung physically, yung look ko kasi nagpakalbo ko, mukha akong addict, mukha akong marusing, hindi mo alam kung siraulo ba to o addict o taong grasa ba to. So very mysterious yung character ng intruder. So ang lesson kasi sa film na ito ay yung judgmental na mga tao na porke marumi, porke may sugat kasi ko dito na minayti band na parang baliw. So parang pag tinignan mo, i-judge mo agad na salbahe to, hindi to nagsasabi ng totoo, tsaka ba't niya dito hahanapin yung anak niya? So yun yung mysterious, napaka daming layers, so napakaganda.